Hello and welcome to Gem Nails by Belinda. We're unboxing £100 of stuff from Temu. So let's see what we've got in the bag. Oh, it's like Christmas. If I can open it. Where's the scissors? Maybe I should have got these first. Ooh. Oh wow, we've got some really nice glitter. Not glitter, it's fall flakes, and this is red and blue. Beautiful. Oh, we have nail files. What we got in here? We got some nail tips. This is a bag for jewelry. I think this is a brush holder. We'll soon find out. Oh, we've got some red glitter. We've got the little hearts, moons and stars. I don't know if you can really see it. It's really pretty. Yeah, it's difficult to see. Another gorge. Oh, we have another foil, which is gold with tiny bits of red flecks in it. Flakes. Oh, what have we got here? So we have some tiny pink crystals, but they're more like a champagne pink. Really pretty. Oh, we have some. What colour are these? We have some gems. We have some bling. You can't go without gems. These are flat back, and they have some wonderful shapes. That's what I was looking for. Fantastic. What else is in here? Oh, we have caviar beads. It's difficult to see in this light. I don't know why. But they're golden and they're gorgeous. Put them there. I've got a lot of jewellery. that I'll just leave to one side. And we have, what colour are these? These are like a champagne-y... No, they're like they're a multicoloured flat back rhinestones. Gorgeous. So they're the same as the others, but these are like a rose gold. Put them over there. I have a lot of jewellery. Wow. Oh, we have some more caviar beads. These are like a rose gold, whereas the other ones were more gold. Fantastic. Oh, these are gorgeous. I use them for a set of nails. They have little roses in, and they have some bling and pearls, and they're really cute. More jewellery, more jewellery, more jewellery, more jewellery. More jewellery. Oh, these are cute. So these are nail stickers. They're butterfly pink, kind of 3D, very difficult to see. But they are gorgeous. Put them there. We have some little, they're not caviar beads, but they're very tiny. Crystals, gold. Can't really see. The lighting's not great. Put them there. More jewellery. Another jewellery part. More jewellery. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, we have some little woody sticks to clean up. Oh, this is nice. So this is gold leaf. Absolutely gorgeous. This is a gold leaf, but it's more of a darker gold. It's more of a kind of, yeah, like a bronzy gold, I would say. And we have more crystals. These ones are in silver, multi-shaped. Then there. And we have more crystals. These are flat back also, and they're just different shapes. So these ones have different shapes. Oh, what's this? Oh, so here we have a little set of white crystals that are in shapes of... They have different shapes. They're white and see-through, so it's a bit difficult without taking the wrapper off to see exactly what's in there. And we have some more flat back crystals. These are they're a silver, but they're a slightly different silver, different shapes. Oh, and we have another one, because why not? And I have another one, but they're different shapes. But they're in the same colour as the other two. And jewellery. Oh, what's in here? Oh, I think that's jewellery. What's in here? Oh, we've got some polygel. Wow, there's a lot in this bag. Oh wow. So we have loads of caviar beads. These caviar beads are kind of pinkish. I don't know, it's hard for you to see. And these caviar beads, that thankfully they're actually in a packet because they've come out, are gold. But yeah, I don't know how many I've lost out of that one, unfortunately, if you can see. They're at the bottom of the bag, and I haven't opened the bag. So let's pop them there. Oh, I have some more red. Beautiful red crystals for nail art. Let's pop them over there. Oh, so this is a wheel of beads, of caviar beads. So there's different sizes. Oh, more crystals. So these are kind of champagne pink. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh gosh, there's a lot of jewellery. What's here? Oh, we've got some nail stickers, some little hearts. Silver heart nail stickers. Pop them with the nail stickers. What's in here? Oh, more polygel. That's more polygel. Wow, there's loads of stuff in here. Oh, these are gorgeous. These are the, if you can see my middle finger, this one, it has a rose in the middle with some pearls around the side. There we go. And this is what I used. I used the pearls and the flowers from this little set to do. Only a few to do that now. So I thought I'd buy a couple more of them because they're gorgeous. Now, this feels like polygel again to me, so let's just put that there. We have some beautiful little, they're not caviar beads, they're small crystals and they're pink, like a champagne pink, absolutely gorgeous. Let's put them with there. Oh, we got some more of the little white crystals. They're in a different shape. we have some more crystals. We have more gems for gem nails. And these are champagne pink. They're the same as the other ones I bought too. And I did the same with some of the crystals. These are flat back crystals, some more flat back, different shape. What colour are they? So these are like a pinky colour, so very pretty. I haven't got this colour, which is great to add to my collection of gems for gem nails. Oh, yeah, I bought more than one because they were on offer. So small caviar beads of different sizes and gems. Where did I put the other one? Let's put that. There is this. Oh, okay. So we have more gems in. What colour are these? Kind of like iridescent flat back crystals. More jewellery. And we've got small caviar beads. They're gold. Little ones. Little caviar beads. We have some more caviar beads in the rose gold as well. I did buy a couple of each because they were on offer, so why not? More crystals, more gems, and these are iridescent.